Hi you guys, this is Mama's beautiful garden. She did this to herself.
This is like a heaven.
Yes, look,
Oh my.
look all her creations.
Look, Elsa, tonight when it gets dark, look what I have.
Oh, you got the solar. Oh, okay.
Wow.
See, look,
Nice.
her little garden.
Kasi bukas ibaliktad mo to.
Kasi yeah, it's wet.
Yeah, kasi wet.
See,
Very nice.
her little creation. Wala ba gawa si Mama?
Oh, you have to wait and see tonight. You haven't seen it. When it gets dark, there's lights. It's gonna have lights.
Her beautiful garden. Wow! Look at how she set up. Tita May, look at Mama. She got good set up over here. She's preparing. Hopefully it's not gonna rain.
Oh, that it rain today. I know it's supposed to be.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
Look.
See?
And she got her sitaw.
Very nice. Sita, where is the sita?
It's up there. Her sitaw. She got her sitaw.
You see?
Up there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mhm.
Very nice.
This is what you do when somebody gives you roses.
Wow.
Yes.
May, when somebody
Very
gives
nice.
when somebody gives you roses, do not throw it away. You cut the dead flowers, you put it in the vase and put some water and see it's gonna grow.
So you
And
have
then
to
once it starts
Ito
rooting,
natapon
you
ko lang yun eh.
Yeah, me too. It will dry too. It's just dry.
no, this is what you do, and then you plant it on the ground or on the pot. Once it's
Oh.
I'll give it to you. Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's all you do, you put it in the vase.
Tapon ko lang. Ang dami
Ako din.
ng mga roses. Tapon ko lang. Wow, it's beautiful. Nice.
No, but I stay away in the garden this year because there's too many
Pagka
mosquito.
may nagbigay siyang rose, ganyan gagawin mo, oh.
Okay. And then we plant. See her little garden over here. Like this.
See, I made this
Oh,
pathway.
Mama, I heard that this is medicine also.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I was reading. I said like, oh, I seen a lot of this, and they said that this is
See,
like
Elsa,
medicine.
I made this.
Ay, a walkway so that it's not.
I made some walkway here.
Where's JC?
Nasa loob.
Sa loob. Ah.
Very good job.
Yes.
Sana hindi tayo inulan ngayon. Ano?
I know. Oh, look at this. This is so cute.
Yeah. Parang Chinese garden.
I know ba? Tita May.
That's so nice. Okay.
You see, I have a little one in here too.
Yeah, that was so cute. I seen it. Huh. Very creative. Mama is very creative.
Ang ganda sana ng parang.
Okay, there we go, Mama.
Well, tonight it's gonna be